Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this drawing hall over here. So let's continue it. So now what I'll be doing over here is like I'll be modeling this curtains over here. For that, what we can do over here is like let's go to the top view. Let's go into the shapes. Let's take a line over here. So I can use this line tool over here for creation of this curtains. So I'm going to make this uneven. So let's just make it as uneven. So I'm just creating this. So what I'm doing right now over here is like so let's just create this using a line tool. So select the vertices, right click on it and you can just smooth it. So once you're done, I can go into this modifier and let's give a extrude modifier and I can slightly just shuffle this up and I'll push it over here. So it will give you a bit of unevenness. So if you want more changes that can be done, we'll be definitely doing it. So for now what I have done is I've just created this. We'll be adding few of the things later on. So I'll just keep it over here right now. After that, I can just come over here and I can create this couch over here. For creation of this couch, let's take a box. So let's take a box over here. Let's go to the top view over here. So let's just take a box a bit. And let's add few segments. And let's just give turbo smooth. If required, then only you can give, or you can just delete it if not required. We'll do it later on. So convert to editable poly. Select this edges over here and let's slightly give a bit of chamfer to it. And click OK. So once you're done over here, I'll just go into this and push it in this way. I'll make the angle as 90 degree and I'll duplicate it. Click OK. Push it over here. So select the vertices. And increase its width also. So how we can make this couch section over here is like I can use a chamfer box over here. So let's again go into the top view. Let's take a chamfer box. So just push it up like this, and if you want you can slightly increase the fillet also. You can decrease the fillet if required. That can be done. So convert to editable poly. Before that I can add few segments. Convert to editable poly. I'll just make a copy of it and I'll give a FFD box. So let's take a freeform deformer box, increase the number of points to 6 over here, and if you need to adjust it you can slightly adjust it if required. You can make this changes. You can slightly push it up and down and make it uneven. You can give turbo smooth also over here. So I'll again rotate this over here. Select the vertices, shuffle it till here. Same way, I'll again go over here and use FFD box. Select the vertices. You can slightly manage this out. Alright, so you can give some variations if required. So push it over here. And increase its height a bit. Convert to editable poly. So let's again go to the top view and extend this till here. Can slightly increase its height from the ground. I think this much is okay for now. We can later on do that, the other changes if required. So I'll again go over here. I'll take a box over here. I'll take a box. Slightly just shuffle this up and increase its height. So convert to editable poly and let's give. So if I give a turbo smooth, it's going to work out in this way. So I'll just delete it. I can put some loops over here. Let's put some connect. Put some connect. And now let's give a turbo smooth. Go over here and let's give a FFD box. Go into this view, side view, and let's slightly just adjust this in this way. Alright, looks much better now. And if you want, you can slightly push it up also. And just duplicate that. So I'll just copy this over here. Or else you can just make one more copy of it. I'll rotate it. I'll duplicate it over here. Alright. So convert to editable poly and I'll slightly just scale it. I think this looks much better over here. I can take this as a copy over here. This part. I'll just rotate it. Go into the vertices. Like this. And I'll slightly just shuffle this till here. So if you want, I can just give a turbo smooth to it, convert to editable poly, and let's select this vertices. You can also select that part of the vertices and you can give FFD box. That is also possible. So if you want that, I want only a part of it to be a bit up, I can do that. So I'm just doing that stuff, not much but a bit can be done. So convert to editable poly again over here Now for the side part, again I'll take a box over here. So let's just take a box till here. And I'll increase its height till here. Increase the segments. And let's give a turbo smooth. That looks much better. And convert to editable poly. So I'm just giving turbo smooth over here also. I'll slightly just shuffle it in this way. So over here also, if you require some details that can be done if you want to achieve it, I can go over here. I can put some loops if required. So we'll make a support over here. So let's just take a cylinder. From the top. So increase its radius, increase its height. Push it over here. And just duplicate that. So before we start, I'll just reduce this, increase its height segments, duplicate that till here, convert to editable poly, and let's just attach this. So select this, isolate selection, and let's just bridge it and isolate. You can slightly, if required, you can slightly shuffle this a bit down. A bit down. Yeah. I think this looks much better. So select the vertices, push it down, and just save your file once. Go again into the vertices, shift it down. So select this, make a copy of it over here. Duplicate that, slightly rotate it, go into the vertices. So over here also what I'll be doing, the bottom area, select the bottom area, this part, shuffle this down. Alright. So you can just give again a turbo smooth over here if required and save your file. So select this all. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So if you're not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. We'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.